Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG voice chat not working on mobile. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to go ahead to settings, and on settings you want to go ahead to audio and haptics, and here on audio at the top, as you can see, there are volume controls. So you want to make sure that it is set, it is not muted basically. So just go ahead, scroll down a little bit, and you will see here voice chat microphone. And you can also enable the pre-made voice toggle and just make sure that this is not muted. If this is not muted but still not working, then you will want to go to your phone settings. On settings, you want to scroll down until you see apps and go and find PUBG. Now from here, you want to make sure that background app refresh is enabled. Another one would be to go to privacy and security, find microphone. Here it is. And you want to make sure that on PUBG Mobile it is enabled. Now, if that doesn't work, you want to go to general, go ahead to iPhone storage and click on PUBG Mobile. On PUBG Mobile, you want to click offload app and then reinstall the app, and this should definitely fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.